Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pickleball paddles under $50 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Duly DOM Pickleball Paddle Set. This set is perfect for families or groups as it includes 4 paddles, 4 pickleballs, 2 indoor, 2 outdoor, and a spacious carrying bag. The paddles are made from 9-ply hard basswood, giving them a strong yet lightweight feel. Additionally, the edges are reinforced with protective rubber to ensure durability over time, especially during intense games. When it comes to performance, these paddles are beginner-friendly but offer enough power for intermediate players. Each paddle weighs 10.58 ounces, providing a balance between swing speed and control. The shock-absorbing grip is well-ventilated and sweat-wicking, making it comfortable for prolonged use. However, these paddles lean more towards durability and versatility, so you might not get the high-spin capabilities of carbon fiber paddles. The value here is undeniable, especially for beginners or families looking to get started with pickleball. The included sling bag is a thoughtful addition, capable of holding not just the paddles, but other essentials like water bottles and towels. The downside? At 10.58 ounces, these paddles are on the heavier side, which could fatigue some players. But for casual play or training, this set is hard to beat for the price. At number 4, we have the CZRR Pickleball Paddle. This paddle features a 3K raw carbon fiber surface, CFS, combined with CAS or carbon abrasion surface technology, which enhances spin and control significantly. The high-grit surface allows players to execute precise shots, making it ideal for intermediate and advanced players. Plus, the 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core reduces vibration and provides stability, ensuring a consistent feel during gameplay. In terms of design, the paddle is sleek and professional, with an extended handle length of 5.5 inches for added grip comfort. The soft artificial leather grip is sweat-absorbent and abrasion-resistant, preventing slippage during high-intensity matches. At 8.0 to 8.5 ounces, this paddle strikes a good balance between weight and maneuverability, although some players might find it slightly heavier than expected. The CZRR paddle is USAPA approved, meaning it's ready for competitive play out of the box. While it doesn't come with additional accessories like balls or a carrying bag, its advanced performance features make it a great choice for players looking to elevate their game. On the downside, it's priced slightly higher than similar models, but the carbon fiber surface and pro-level features justify the cost for serious players. Taking the third spot is the M10 Pickleball Paddle Set. This affordable option includes 2 fiberglass paddles, 4 outdoor pickleballs, grip tapes, and a handy carry bag. The fiberglass surface provides excellent rotational performance, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate players alike. The polypropylene honeycomb core ensures reduced vibration and a stable ball strike feel, which helps players maintain consistency. The paddles are lightweight, weighing between 7.78 to 7.8 ounces, which places them in the medium weight range. This helps with maneuverability and reduces arm fatigue during extended gameplay. The ergonomic grip is perforated, sweat-absorbent, and cushioned for maximum comfort, allowing for better wrist snap and spin. The wide paddle face offers a generous sweet spot, making it forgiving for off-center hits. Overall, the M10 Paddle Set is a fantastic starter kit for anyone new to pickleball. The included accessories and tournament-approved paddles make this a well-rounded package. However, advanced players might find the fiberglass surface limiting compared to carbon fiber options. But for under $30, this set provides great value for beginners and casual players. Coming in at number 2 is the Vinsar Pickleball Paddle. This budget-friendly option proves that you don't have to break the bank for great performance. Featuring a carbon fiber surface, CFS, with cast technology, this paddle offers impressive spin capabilities and overall control. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core provides a solid balance between power and precision, while minimizing vibrations. The paddle's elongated handle design allows for a two-handed grip, which is perfect for players who prefer added control during intense rallies. Its comfort contour grip is ergonomically designed to fit naturally in your hand, enhancing grip confidence and reducing fatigue. At just 7.8 ounces, this paddle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate players. While it lacks additional accessories, like a carrying bag or balls, the Vinsar Paddle delivers exceptional value for its price. The durable construction and high-grit face design make it a standout in the under $30 price range. However, advanced players might find the performance slightly lacking compared to higher-end models, but for casual play, this paddle is a winner. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Lenala Pickleball Paddle. This paddle is packed with premium features, starting with its raw carbon fiber T700 surface that enhances spin and control while withstanding high-intensity hits. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, combined with 33D injection-molded foam edges, absorbs vibration and minimizes noise, providing a smooth and quiet performance. Design-wise, the paddle is top-notch, featuring 360-degree thermoforming technology for improved stability and durability. The handle grip is sweat-absorbent and impact-resistant, ensuring comfort during extended gameplay. At 7.9 to 8.3 ounces, the paddle offers a perfect balance between weight and maneuverability, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The extended grip length of 5.6 inches accommodates two-handed techniques, adding versatility to your playstyle. The Lenala Paddle is USAPA approved, making it competition-ready. It also comes with thoughtful extras like a paddle cover, grip tape, and lead tape for customization. While it's the priciest option on this list, its advanced features and accessories make it the best choice for players seeking performance, durability, and comfort. The only downside? It's not ideal for absolute beginners due to its higher price point, but for anyone beyond novice level, this paddle is the ultimate pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.